So for my last one, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna put on the flexi cat. So this is a flexible print in place object. So the other one has the other ears. That's fine if I wanted to go like download it. But what really matters are these joints. So it goes here. We can't scale this down because it might cause problems, and we don't want any supports. So no supports. And now if we look at our model, so first layer looks okay, but then if we start going up, you're gonna see we're gonna start creating a gap. So there's a gap here, 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 and then it's going to bridge. So this joint's a bridge joint. It's going to draw across over nothing, but the two ends are connected, so we can get away with that. And then we close that, and then we cover it with another bridge joint the other way. And then when it came apart, this whole thing would flex. So this is a flexible print in place object. These are really neat. They're fun to play with, and they look really good. So I would suggest that might be a possibility for when you're looking at things. So this is a flexible cat. So if I was happy, 2 hours is a good print time for this assignment. I want to aim for like no more than 3 hours. I would export G-code. So I'm going to export G-code, and on the next video, I will show you how to do that. So this went to the downloads folder, and that's important.